disclaimer, my skin is suffering. It is suffering, suffering, suffering. Because for the past almost 2 weeks now, like 2 weeks ago, before my week started misbehaving, it was all good. But then I was like, let me add something to my routine. I added this. This is a cleansing oil. Everybody was double cleansing. Princess decided to join the trend to double cleanse, and it didn't work out really well. It really did not work out well. So now this is just going to be what I'll use to remove my makeup, because I am definitely not doing that double cleansing. Not again, because my skin, I'm breaking out, or maybe it's just this oil that's making me break out. Everybody said it was good, and I did proper research. So one funny thing about all these things is that when you are doing research to buy it, they'll tell you buy it, it's good, it's good, it's good. But the minute you buy it and it gives you bad results, then you start seeing the negative comments people have on certain products. Because why is it when it has already done its work that I'm not seeing comments that, oh, it broke me out, oh, I did not see since. Now I'm suffering. But that's fine. So I'm just gonna leave this because that's not working. So now let's get into my skincare routine. First of all, we're gonna wash our face. And my nighttime, let's see, this is my cleanser for night. This is Sarah Lee Renewing Essay Cleanser. I know everybody is moving to K beauty products, which I'll show you in the next second or so, because I am using mostly Korean products on my face. But this one is what I'm not going to change. This and my moisturizer. This does my skin wonders, and I'm not going to change it. So cleansing though, yeah, we're not doing that again. Okay. So I wash my face, and because normally I answer my face air dryable because I'm in a hurry to get out of this bathroom. I'm going to dab my face. So let's get it. So because of the way my skin has been moving mad, I'm trying to limit the amount of actives I put on my skin, because I feel like that will just cause more harm than good at this point. Because my skin is very dry, I think I kind of damaged my skin barrier. So now I'm just focusing on hydrating my skin both morning and night. So everything I do now, and I think I'm going to be doing that for the next 1 week, would just be to hydrate my skin, because that's really all I can afford right now. And it's hard to see my skin dry. My skin is mostly oily. So for the fact that my skin gets so dry nowadays, if I do my normal skincare routine, my skin is always so dry and it's itchy and my face hurts. It's when I'm under sun, my face feels like it's burning. Literally, kind of figured my skin barrier must have really been suffering a bit. So we're going to be prioritizing that. So next we're going to go in with this Jimmy So Slim Missing. It has peptides and all the good to help with your skin barrier. So that, by the way, I love this. I love it actually. I've not been using it for too long, but I like it. Okay. And this my life is order online. Ah. So next I'm using this Creamy So again, vitamin C. It's a vitamin C serum, but they call it all day vitamin pure C 5.5 glow serum. So that's good. I've got on my face. Don't forget your neck. And whenever how I know my skin is going through a lot is when I start breaking out on my neck. I don't know if you can see that I have one here, I have one here, I have another one here. Pretty. Next, we're gonna go in with Centella Asiatica, my fave, one of my favorite products right now. I think you can tell because it's almost done. So, relax me. It's so lightweight, but so good. Like literally, if I had to throw all my skincare out, I probably will leave this on my list. No, that's a lie. I'll probably just get a moisturizer. Okay, so after that, next we have is this my moisturizer that I love that can keep up on me these days just because my skin is now extremely dry, which is weird because I have never dreamt of using this new mucin on my skin because it's like that's just overkill already. Yeah. Well, it's still decent. Yeah, that's my nighttime routine. And new nighttime routine. That's basically my daytime routine too at this point, but I'm doing it at night now so I can manage my skin. Basically it. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully by the next video my skin is already better. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.